Imagine a world where our health assistant understands our symptoms, predicts diseases, and reminds us to take medicine, and also gives all possible emergency healthcare supports all before we visit a doctor. That's the world we want to create with ShasthoBondhu, as we all know that health is wealth. So this is Mohammad Najmus Sakib from Buet Learners, a student of Bangladesh University of Engineering and Technology, Buet, Computer Science and Engineering Department. I am a full stack web developer and machine learning developer experienced with Python, Django, scikit-learn and Tailwind CSS. I have prior experience in working with real life industry projects, and also you can visit my portfolio from here. Our team leader JUBAYER TALUKDER is a competitive programmer and web developer who is experienced with C++. You can also visit his profile from here. Our another teammate Sumit GUPTA is also an competitive programmer and UI UX developer, and he has also prior experience in working with real life and industry projects. Our last team member OYESHI is a competitive programmer and a student of CSE Buet, experienced with C and C++. You can visit her GitHub and LinkedIn from these links. And also our NID card photo are attached with this drive link. In Bangladesh and in many other developing countries, people struggle to access timely and affordable healthcare. Patients often wait in long queues, lack reliable health records, and depend on self-diagnosis from internet, which can be misleading and dangerous. According to WHO, over 60% of patients in rural areas delay seeking treatment due to distance, cost, and lack of information. At the same time, healthcare providers face challenges in tracking patient data and offering personalized care. This creates a massive communication and data gap, one that ShasthoBondhu can fill intelligently. Our project prototype is developed using Django, a Python library, and the UI and UX design is done using Tailwind CSS, and also the machine learning models are created using scikit-learn. And we collected our symptoms data, medicine data, and the food calories data from Kaggle, and we also collected medicine's name, doctor's name, and pathology tests from different hospital and diagnosis center websites using web scraping. You can find our machine learning model codes and our Django code from GitHub repository. Now let's explore the project prototype of our ShasthoBondhu project. So here is a clean UI done using Tailwind CSS, and there is a common symptom tracker. The machine learning model is made using scikit-learn. Here in this repository we have our machine learning model dataset and other codes to implement this. So our ML model now can only detect some common diseases, for example migraine, common cold, typhoid, jaundice, allergy, etc. So let's add some symptoms to detect the disease. For example, I am adding headache and another irritability. So there can be some spelling mistakes, whatever. So let's check diseases. So it is saying that our potential disease is migraine, and also it is giving me some recommended precautions such as meditation, reduce stress, use Polaroid glasses in sun, and consult a doctor. So these recommended precautions are also collected from a dataset from Kaggle, and it is also recommending me some doctors. If I click here, I will get some doctor recommendation. I also can book appointment of this doctor. For example, now I am adding my phone number to book an appointment, and it is saying that our appointment is done. And also here is a personalized health suggestion. This prediction can be done more accurately if we register in our and sign in our website. So such as we are registering or creating an account in our website. So I have already created an account. Let's sign in here. So we have logged in our website successfully without any problem. So if now I go to my profile section here, I will be inputting my uh, health details here, my blood group, age, daily sleep cycle, weight, height, many time I exercise a day, my blood pressure, my smoking history, and my disease history. I also can add more diseases here. And there is a medication routine of my daily life cycle, which will remind me time to time when to take my medicines. I also can change my medication routine here from here. For example, my medication routine is changed, and now I don't need to take any medicines in lunch. So I have updated my medication routine from here, and this will remind me when to take my medicines. There is a food consumption analytics that I must take at least 1725 kilocalories a day, and I have consumed 617.38 kilocalories till now that day. I also can update my foods from here, that I have taken this food of this quantity. This will calculate the calories and will automatically add the food consumed here. And there is my BP analytics of last 7 days. It is saying that my BP today is 120 by 80, which is normal today. So there is an analytics that will keep a track of our daily life cycle. And there is a personalized health suggestion that then it is saying me to consume that much food a day, and also suggesting me to maintain diet for better health, and also suggesting me to continue physical activity regularly, and also recommending me some doctors according to my disease list here. So if I click here, I will get my doctor recommendation. We have already seen how we can book appointment from here. So let's go to profile section again. So there is also an activity manager. We can add activities for a day, and we also can see some charts showing how much time we are giving to some tasks that will keep a track of our daily life cycle. So let's do something here. Let's say I am in work. I am adding activity. Let's save it to database, and this will show an analytics that how much time we are giving to some specific tasks, which will help us to track a record. Also, there is a medicine store which will be recommending medicines according to our disease history, and also there is a all medicine sections collected from various pharmaceutical websites. We also can search medicine from here, order medicine from here. There is a pathology section which is suggesting us some common tests. We also can book tests from here, such as let's select our center and select a date. It is saying that my appointment is done, and my appointment is number 2. So there is also a ambulance booking section. This is our about us section, which is giving a view of our vision and the minds behind ShasthoBondhu. Also, there are some premium sections such as consultation and health goal section. Let's go to consultation. So there is a consultancy session today at 7 p.m. by this doctor, and we will receive a link by SMS and email. And in the health goal section, there are some monthly or weekly health goal section and plans, and there is a section for AI chatbot. Let's go to your ShasthoBondhu section or here in this chat section. So here we can do some chats using with our AI chatbot, which will be suggesting us with the guidelines from AI. Migraine and what measures can I take? So this will be thinking, generating the answer. Now the answer is generated and we can see the answers from here, and also it is suggesting me precautions, the steps that I can take and other things generated using AI. So that's about the user interface section of the ShasthoBondhu prototype, and we also have some more plans to add in this project. We think that this project will be sustainable and will be a great business model, and will also help the general people with the facility to get healthcare services at their homes at a very low cost. And let's pay a visit to the admin section or the database section of our website. So this is the admin dashboard for the ShasthoBondhu website. There is some databases, the users list, the databases like profile data. Here all the data are stored, what foods I have taken, what is the BMI, what is the BMR, what amount of food I have consumed that day, the disease history, my BP, the meditation routine, and all these things. There is a section for pathology bookings, that who have booked for pathology tests from our website. Here is phone number, name, the center of pathology test and the test name and the appointment date. There is a medicine order section that tells about the order of medicines, the phone number, the name, there is the medicine name also. There is daily activities section that updates every day. And it updates every day regularly to keep a track of the user's daily activities. There is an appointment of the doctor section. This is giving me a rough idea about the phone number, the doctor's name, and other things. ShasthoBondhu is unique because of its localized AI healthcare assistant designed specifically for Bangladeshi users, combining disease prediction, medication support, and goal tracking in one unified platform. Unlike other generic health apps, ShasthoBondhu understands regional symptoms, local diseases, user language, and preference, making healthcare personal, accessible, and data-driven. And also the 24/7 AI chat support is trained on local health context. As the health service market is a very rapid market in Bangladesh, our target audience is the urban, peri-urban population of Bangladesh, and also the health conscious families who want to track their family health records in one unified ecosystem. In the next step, we will be trying to add more dynamic health assistant system, and also we will track the data of the users more accurately so that user can get a very meaningful health support from our project. And also we want to expand our disease prediction model using national healthcare dataset. If we can deploy our website, we want to partner with local clinics, NGOs, pharmaceutical companies. And also our vision is to integrate IoT based health monitoring device for automatic data collection, which will be very useful and a futuristic movement for ShasthoBondhu. And our goal is to make AI assisted healthcare available to every household in Bangladesh. So ShasthoBondhu by Buet Learners is building a future where everyone has a smart health friend always ready to help. Thank you for watching.